Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Ride the Six Motorcycle channel. Special welcome to, I guess, all the new subscribers and followers. It's that time of year when we get a new flux of new people because it's riding season, right? Especially in Canada. So behind me, you can see my MV Agusta. You can see my FZ6R. And then I have my FZ6R park bike, which may become a track bike. I still have not decided yet. And then here in front of me you see this Ninja 400 ABS. Well, there's one bike missing in the garage right now, and that was the 2006 ZX636 I was working on. I got it to a point where everything was running fine, and I decided I had too many bikes here and I need a little bit of space, and I need a little bit of cash as well. So I sold that bike, and the real reason is because there's another bike as well that I technically own, and it's going to be coming up from Nova Scotia very soon, probably next month, and it's going to be a Suzuki, so you'll see that coming soon. But anyways, guys, we're working on this bike now, and this bike was a theft recovery, but it did have a lot of fairing damage on the bike, and when I looked at buying all the pieces OEM and then putting it back the way I would like to put it back to sell it, the price was kind of skyrocketing very quickly. Each panel on the side of the bike was going to run like something like $500 or something, and everything was damaged, everything was scratched, and a lot of stuff was broken, including the tail, which I'm not sure if you can see right now. So yeah, I decided to buy a fairing kit, and I didn't just buy any fairing kit, I bought a kit from Monster Fairings. So the box just came in. Let's go open up the box. I'm going to do a box opening for you guys and show you how everything's packaged up and stuff like that. That's probably a part 1 video, and then on a part 2 video we're going to take all those fairings, we're going to get them put on the Ninja 400, and try to get this bike completed basically. Alright, stay tuned, guys. We're going to do the box opening right now. Check this out, guys. I cut the little package off the side of the box, and these are Chinese postage stamps, so I don't know, $1.20, I don't know, yen? Like, I don't know. Look how many there are, guys. There is like stacks and stacks and stacks and stacks of stamps. If you're a stamp collector or anything like that, and you want like maybe a package of these Chinese stamps, or like one of these strips, let me know. I'll send you some. But yeah, this was the postage on the box. I don't know what this means, 120, whatever, but there is a whack ton of them. So if anybody wants some stamps, guys, drop a note in the comments. Hit me up in my email, in my inbox. Alright, I'm going to put those aside. Alright, we're going to open her up. Let's see what we got. We'll try to cut pretty gently here. The box is quite strong. Okay, there's the plot, there's the paper, the cardboard. Once I get it opened up, maybe I'll put this down on the floor and you can kind of see how it's packed. I would suspect it's packed pretty well. But it does amaze me that a whole fairing kit fits in this box. It must be in there like Jenga. I don't know. Alright. Alright, let me see if I can get you guys up here for a better look. The box is huge, guys, so yeah, if you think you're going to go pick this up in a car, you better have a big back seat or a big trunk, because I had to actually go pick this up in my little SUV. Alright, so let's look at the packaging here. There we go. Looks like we got some heat shielding material.
You're gonna need that because I assume it's not on the fairings already. Well, I don't even know where to start, to be honest. Let's get some of this stuff away. Alright, we'll start from the top, I guess. You can see the pieces are taped up pretty well protected. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of pile this stuff off to the side. I don't have anywhere else I could actually do this, guys, except for a spare bedroom at the moment. Okay, and there we go. There's our first look at kind of the back of the fairings. So you can tell right away they don't do a full paint. An OEM fairing, I would suspect to see pretty much a full paint on it, but it's not a OEM fairing, so we're gonna try to get the big stuff out of the way here. Okay, so that's part of our dash cluster. Let me get that stuff all out of the way. Okay, lots of foam. Everything's well protected in here. Just these are some of your side plastics. I guess I'll put that over here with this stuff. These are the these are the inner plastics around the front of the bike. I actually don't need all these pieces, guys. The inner plastics and stuff like that are okay on the bike. Even the inner plastics on the nose cowl are okay. But I needed all the fairings, so I may have some extra pieces available when I'm finished. If you need any fairings for a Ninja 400, 2018 to 2021, I believe, let me know. There's a lot of pieces in here for sure. Okay. These are fairing pieces. Just try to pull them out from the ones I can. But it is very well packed, I will say that. Very well protected. These are some of the bigger fairing pieces. There's a lot of pieces here, guys. I don't know how long this is going to take to install on the bike, but it definitely is not going to be a 5-minute job, and especially because I am probably going to try to film it for you guys. It is not going to be quick. But we need to start somewhere. We need to get the box opened up. Get everything out of the box. Yeah, these are all your side fairings now coming out. Okay, this is 100% the tank cover. Yep, definitely the tank cover. So, not sure how these are going to fit, but we are going to find out, guys. I have never done a fairing kit before on a motorcycle. An aftermarket fairing kit, that is. And this is most likely our tail single seat cowl. Alright, we got some more just plastic pieces here. This is going to be our front nose cowl. And what do we have in here? Oh yeah, we got a free windscreen with this kit. So there we go. We have a black smoked, actually it's quite dark actually. It's a very, very dark smoke windscreen. Free with the kit, they say, but you know, not everything's free. I'm sure you're paying for it. And Last but not least, we have a fairing bolt kit, and I did order this in black because the fairings are black and the bolt kit's going to be black, so the bike is going to be blacked out pretty good. Okay, there's all the stuff out of the box, so that will do it for the unboxing portion.
So there you go, guys. That's what a fairing kit looks like when you order it from Monster Fairings. It's a fairly large box. You're probably not going to get it in your car. I didn't even bother to try to get it in my car. Just picked it up with my SUV. And if you're curious what something like that costs, that is an $1,100 fairing kit Canadian, because it includes the gas tank cover, which is normally not included in most kits. So if you're ordering a kit, ask about the tank cover because it may not be included. That's the reason why some of the kits are, you'll see them listed cheaper, $600, $700, maybe $800 Canadian, but that will not include a gas tank cover. And it probably definitely won't include the fairing bolt kit, and probably not even the windscreen, hard to say. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We're going to do another part of that video. We're going to get everything opened up, and we're going to start putting it on the bike. Alright, if you're out there riding, guys, ride safe.